Ivana Alawi is joining Pinoy Big Brother Celebrity Collab Edition as a celebrity house guest. During the premiere episode of the reality show on March 9, the vlogger and actress entered the confession room blindfolded and wearing a gold raincoat covering her whole face. As she removed her covers, Kuya greeted and welcomed Ivana to the PBB house. Kuya assigned Ivana as the first ever house guest of the season and gave her a task. She has to convince the housemates that she is also one of Kuya's boarders. When asked if she accepts the challenge, Ivana Gameli said, "Tinatanggap ko po." During her brief stay in the PBB house, Ivana will give gifts to 3 celebrity housemates. To help with her task, Ivana will use her moniker, ang Phenomenal Content Queen ng Quezon City. Ivana, good luck at maghanda ka na sa pagpasok mo ng aking bahay. Celebrity house guest Ivana, he said. After introducing Ivana, the show also revealed that Michael Sager is joining as the 8th Kapuso housemate. Earlier, Pinoy Big Brother Celebrity Collab Edition revealed the first 7 Kapuso housemates and 7 Kapamilya boarders ni Kuya. Pinoy Big Brother Celebrity Collab Edition is a major collaboration between GMA Network and ABS-CBN in celebration of the show's 20th anniversary this 2025. It is hosted by Sparkle artists Gabby Garcia and Mavi Legaspi as well as Kapamilya hosts Robbie Domingo, Bianca Gonzalez, Melay Cantiveros, Kim Chu, Enchong D and Alexa Ilacan.